What's going on, guys? My name is Albert. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something exciting. We're gonna be installing parts in this 2020 Supra, Steven's car. Steven Lammy right there. And today we're installing a air oil separator from VERUS Engineering. We got the bracket that goes behind this thing right here, and then it's obviously the connections here and the tubes. So they supplied us with 4 M6 bolts and 4 washers. Now when I installed it in the back, as I thread it through, it doesn't quite go all the way in, so I'm just gonna screw it in real quick and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. I feel like, I might be wrong, but I feel like as I tighten it down, air is like pushing it so it's not going all the way down, but that probably doesn't make sense. And so yeah, so it stops right here. You can't turn it anymore. Now even if I use a whatever this is, the 4 I think hex, as I tighten it, it's super tight and it won't go down any further. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put zip ties to make spacers in between that. And you know why? Because life ain't perfect, so our cars ain't perfect. So we're gonna put zip ties and we're going to close that gap right there. Alright guys, and here's the final product. Bam! Look at that. White spacers. Zip tie. Sponsored by Zip Tie. Hey, see? Now the bracket doesn't it doesn't move around on the AOS.
Have you ever thought like the person who invented zip ties must be hella fucking rich?
Yeah. Whoever invented zip ties definitely is a rich mother effer. Alright, so you want me to switch out the white zip ties for the black zip ties? Is that right? Dang it, Steven. Dang it. I did all that. All right, well, back to it. Introducing a new and improved the black spacer. Hey, look at that. Now it all matches, so it's not white. I thought this was a good idea. I mean, but I guess black is cool too. So now it all fits and it's not moving around. So we're gonna get installed into the Supra now. It goes right here, attached to the left or the right strut. So we're gonna get that started right now. All right, you're gonna take your AOS and you're gonna put it on the strut right there, and it's gonna use one of the bolts and nuts from the strut and another one from this from right here. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah. So it's gonna mount on like that, and you're gonna have the tubes from here to here, and then there's gonna be another connection. I'll show you guys in a bit, but it's gonna be mounted just like that. You're gonna need a 12 deep socket for this one right here. Yeah, so we're gonna loosen that up. Lefty loosey. Oh crap. Fail. Oh yeah. Come on. Let me, hard to film and do this at the same time. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this camera right here. Alright, put it right here. There we go. Alright, lefty loosey. There we go. Loosen that. Make sure you don't lose the cap, the nut, alright. Next, you're going to take this star. Let's see. Nice. This one works. The screw out with the star or something. I basically use the star bit with the screwdriver from my kit. Made it work. But yeah. Oh, son of a gun. All right, guys, and now we are back with some more lighting, as you can see. Bam. So let me show it to you guys again. So it's gonna go on the bolt here with the strut, and then whatever that screw is with the star. All right, now see, as you can see, it's secured, super secured, and as you can see, Steven is super satisfied right now. Yes, yes, yes. All right, now we have to take, I forget what line is, but you have to pinch it. You have to pinch it and take it out. Steven, hold this camera real quick. So we gotta pinch it and then take it out, just like that.
Just like that. Easy.
Just like that.
Easy money.
All right, then you gotta take your hoses that came with the kit, and then you gotta figure out what to do with them. All right, yeah, it goes something like that. Yes, you plug in like that. Yeah.
Where the fuck do these two go? Out
Yep.
this here?
Yeah. So that goes in the old line right here. That goes in the old line, but you, yeah, this one goes like, these guys goes like this.
What happened to the other black piece then?
Oh, it's on the ground. I believe it's every other, or was it every same? 1 second.
Did you watch?
All right, after doing some thorough research, you gotta put the bigger one that they supply you with on the outside, and then in the middle, right? Every other one. Then you're gonna take it and you're going to plug it in to where you took off the connection. Take that and just push it in. Shove that in real quick. Bam, just like that. Shoved in. It's in there. Okay. So now they also supply you with a adapter piece. Now that's gonna go in the old connection pipe or piece where you took off, and you're just going to just connect it, just like that. Okay. Then you're gonna take your final piece and you're going to put it over it, and then this one. Oops. Oops. Hey. Yep, you're gonna put it over it, and then you're just gonna connect this piece from the bottom up, like so.
Hold this real quick. Fuck you, Albert.
Hey!
Video sponsored by Truly's.
Now I gotta like cut that part out. All right. Hey, if you guys didn't know, you can twist this, you can turn this. So when you take it out, it's gonna be facing down. You wanna turn it around. You can connect this from underneath. You're just gonna put it in together. And it should be easy, but it's giving me a hard time. All right, and it's connected. It's
connected, huh?
It's connected. It feels connected. I'm touching it and it's connected right now. All right, double check my work. All right, goes over on top. Bolts are good. And just like that, we are done. Bam, look at that.
Easy money.
Easy money. Now, I don't really know how I feel about it without it being zip tied, but I mean, that's your choice. You can zip tie it if you want.
We'll zip tie it.
Zip tie it, I feel like that's a good idea. That way we can keep it secured, because I feel like it's gonna pop off under like pressure. All right, and we are done. Steven is tightening the AOS, so we are done. Oh, he just pulled it. He just pulled it out. Never mind. So he's tightening it back in right now. So yeah, when you're done installing it, make sure the bottom piece, the drain plug is plugged in. Otherwise, you have all these oil coming down, and that's not good. It's not gonna be a clean engine bay after you're done driving. Anyways, if you learned something today, let me know what you learned. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.